Domestic export earnings climbed by 10% last year. Director General of the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, Carol Coy, shared that information during Statin's virtual quarterly media briefing on April 21. Our reporter Gabriel Thompson breaks down this and all the data shared at the event.
Director General of Statin Carol Coy says Jamaica earned just over $1.4 billion from exports in 2021. She says domestic exports alone cashed in $1.28 billion last year, noting that it is 15.2% higher than the 2020 outturn.
Due to a rise in exports from manufacture and agricultural industries, which increased by 30.8% and 8.1% respectively.
The Director General says increased exports of yams, fruits, beverages, and coffee were the main contributors to the rise in the agricultural industry's outturn.
The increase in exports in manufacturing in 2021 was due mainly to increases in the export of other manufactured goods, 49%, and food and beverages and tobacco, 14.5%. Over the past 3 years, the manufacturers' industry share to total domestic exports moved from 30.8% in 2018 to 56.3% in 2021.
Ms. Coy notes that earnings from mining and quarrying declined.
Earnings from the mining and quarrying industry amounted to $465.2 million, a decline of 10.6% when compared to 2020. Exports of both alumina and bauxite declined in 2021.
She says despite increased export earnings in 2021, revenue was 12.9% below the pre-COVID-19 pandemic level in 2019.